Hi everybody, welcome to Techtide. Today, we're diving into construction technology, the innovations that are revolutionizing the way we build. From 3D printed homes and drones surveying sites to smart materials and automated machinery, the construction industry is evolving at an incredible pace. These technologies are making construction faster, safer, and more sustainable. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking tools and techniques that are shaping the future of construction. Subscribe now and stay ahead in the world of construction innovation. Deltec Homes. Hurricane Irma, or as it's now often referred to, Irmageddon, wreaked havoc across the Caribbean and the southeastern United States, leaving behind an estimated $3.5 to $6.5 billion in damages. Amidst this devastation, a surprising few homes stood their ground. Those built by Deltec Homes. Deltec Homes attributes this resilience to the unique principles behind their construction. Their octagonal design enhances aerodynamics, significantly reducing wind load and allowing the homes to withstand fierce winds. The floor layout and roof installation, inspired by the structure of an umbrella, further contribute to their durability. Additionally, the homes feature slabs capable of withstanding static loads of up to 136 kg per square meter. In the wake of such a catastrophic event, Deltec Homes stands by the strength of their design, confidently claiming that their houses are indeed built to last. Solar stack. In the quest for energy savings, even in affluent nations, solar power is emerging as a key solution. Solar Stack, a groundbreaking mounting system for solar panels, is at the forefront of this movement. What sets Solar Stack apart is its ability to streamline the installation process, making it quicker, more efficient, and entirely hole-free. The process is as simple as it is innovative. Apply a foam adhesive, set the mounts, and you're ready to go. Unlike traditional methods, which can stretch over 2 to 5 days, Solar Stack completes the job in just 1 day. This system is not only fast but versatile, accommodating both flat and pitched roofs, and compatible with materials like metal, ceramic shingles, and bitumen. For those looking to transition to solar energy, Solar Stack is a game changer. With a batch of 100 fasteners priced at approximately $5,300. It offers a cost-effective, time-saving solution that makes sustainable energy more accessible than ever before. Styropor. Over 50 years ago, BASF, the world's largest chemical company, revolutionized the construction industry with the introduction of Styropor. This material quickly became synonymous with exceptional thermal insulation, thanks to its high compressive strength, lightweight nature, and impressive resistance to moisture. Styropor's unique properties have made it a staple in the construction of energy-efficient homes. As a technical variant of Styrofoam, it shares the same lightweight characteristics but offers enhanced insulation capabilities. This effectiveness is particularly notable in regions like Turkey, where Styropor is the go-to material, enabling construction across diverse climates without the need for additional thermal insulation. BASF's Styropor is more than just insulation. It's a cornerstone of modern sustainable building practices, ensuring homes are not only energy efficient but also durable and cost-effective. Drivable Turf. Imagine transforming any space, be it parks, recreation areas, or parking lots, into a lush, durable surface. Drivable Turf, an innovative solution from an American company, does just that. This upgraded lawn combines the beauty of grass with the strength of concrete blocks, offering a versatile and practical surface for various applications. For around $1,000, you can cover approximately 240 square feet with this unique system. The installation is straightforward. A flexible polymer mesh filled with concrete is laid on the desired area, followed by a layer of sand and binder. Finally, the lawn is placed on top, creating a seamless, slip-resistant surface. Drivable Turf is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional. It doesn't crack, has no sharp corners, drains water efficiently, and is easy to clean. From parking lots to stadium entrances, this upgraded turf is ideal for almost any setting. especially on uneven terrain. Quick Stair Riser. Meet the Quick Stair Riser, a game-changing solution for building stairs efficiently and accurately. This innovative product simplifies the stair construction process, allowing builders and DIY enthusiasts to install stair risers with ease and precision. The Quick Stair Riser is designed to save time and reduce errors. It provides a consistent rise for each step, ensuring that your stairs are not only safe, but also uniform in height. The system is easy to use, making it accessible for both professionals and hobbyists. Whether you're renovating your home or working on a new construction project, the Quick Stair Riser is an essential tool that speeds up the process and delivers professional results every time. Ecomuret. Introducing Ecomuret, a groundbreaking construction system that brings the simplicity of Lego to real-world building projects. Designed with natural stone and concrete, Ecomuret blocks resemble oversized Lego bricks, allowing for quick and easy assembly. These blocks are ideal for constructing retaining walls, offering a blend of strength, durability, and ease of use. Available in standard lengths of 50, 100, and 200 centimeters, and heights of 30 and 50 centimeters, they make the building process incredibly efficient. In fact, with Ecomuret, you can lay approximately 10 square meters of wall in just 1 hour. Whether you're a professional builder or a DIY enthusiast, Ecomuret's user-friendly design transforms construction into a simple, intuitive process, revolutionizing how we approach building projects. Canada Docks. Introducing Canada Docks, a revolutionary solution for all your waterfront needs. This Canadian innovation offers the only fully formed aluminum bolt-together dock kit on the market, made from marine-grade aluminum, that's perfect for both fresh and saltwater environments. The dock system features floating and stationary sections, which can be easily customized with a range of accessories like lights, holders, and mini platforms. Think of it as a large construction set. Buy different sections and assemble them into a dock, recreational area, pontoon, or whatever your imagination desires. Each 4-foot by 8-foot floating section is engineered to hold up to 419 pounds, ensuring durability and stability. Whether you're looking to enhance your lakeside property or create a unique waterfront space, Canada Docks offers the flexibility and quality you need. Beton Rectilom. Imagine building without the hassle of mixing and applying mortar, just glue, water, and a dispenser. Beton Rectilom makes this dream a reality, transforming the construction process for professionals and novices alike. These innovative blocks have been put to the test by a seasoned builder with 35 years of experience, and the results are staggering. He completed his work 73% faster using Rectilom blocks. New builders will find them equally advantageous, as the need for height adjustments is eliminated and the adhesive mix used offers superior bending and pulling strength compared to traditional mortar. Efficiency is key with Rectilom. Just 6 blocks per square meter are required, significantly reducing the time spent on placement. A team of 3 can now complete a 40 square meter basement in just 1 day. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, Rectilom blocks are set to revolutionize your building experience. ICF System. The ICF System, or Insulated Concrete Forms, is revolutionizing the construction industry by offering a modern, efficient way to build highly energy-efficient and durable structures. ICF blocks consist of 2 layers of insulation with a cavity in between, into which concrete is poured. Once the concrete cures, it forms a solid, high-strength wall with exceptional thermal and sound insulation properties. The advantages of the ICF system are manifold. It significantly reduces heating and cooling costs due to its superior insulation capabilities, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The system is also fire-resistant, moisture-resistant, and capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions, providing long-term durability and safety. Additionally, ICF walls offer excellent soundproofing, creating a quieter indoor environment. Construction with ICF is efficient and straightforward, as the blocks are lightweight and easy to handle, speeding up the building process. The system's versatility allows it to be used in various types of projects, from residential homes to commercial buildings and even high-rise structures. By combining energy efficiency, structural integrity, and ease of construction, the ICF system is setting a new standard in building technology, making it an attractive option for modern construction projects. Hadrian X Robot. Kicking off our compilation of incredible construction technologies is the Hadrian X Robot, a game changer in the industry. This unique robot boasts an impressive capability of laying 1,000 bricks per hour, potentially replacing an entire team of workers and dramatically speeding up construction times. The system comprises a large telescopic robotic arm mounted on a 25-ton truck, with electrical equipment housed on a separate frame and control systems in a van. These components are interconnected and connected to a 32-ampere power source on site. Before beginning its work, Hadrian X reviews the house's blueprints, creates a 3D model, and meticulously plans the construction. It determines which bricks need to be cut and where to reuse scraps, thereby reducing waste. The robot applies a special adhesive to the bricks and positions them with precision, guided by a laser. On average, Hadrian X can lay around 150 bricks per hour, with a top speed of 200 bricks per hour. This allows it to place between 1,500 and 2,000 bricks in a single shift, far surpassing the approximately 500 bricks a typical bricklayer can lay in the same time frame. LIFTbuild. The phrase "starting to build a house from the roof" perfectly captures the innovative approach used by LIFTbuild in skyscraper construction. LIFTbuild's groundbreaking technology flips the traditional construction process, allowing buildings to be constructed from the top down. This method involves assembling floors at ground level, then elevating and stacking them on the planned platform. It offers a potential alternative to the traditional, labor-intensive process of erecting steel frames, floors, walls, and other components vertically. But how does this work in practice? A prime example is The Exchange, a 16-story, 63-meter-tall building in Detroit's Greektown area. This project posed significant challenges due to its triangular shape and the complex surroundings, including city streets on all sides and the nearby people mover system. However, LIFTbuild's technology enabled the construction to proceed efficiently despite these obstacles. The advantages of this modular construction method are numerous. It simplifies and standardizes the building process, increasing efficiency and potentially saving time and money. Additionally, it enhances safety and productivity by reducing the need for work at heights and eliminating the use of tower cranes and additional equipment. This approach significantly lowers the risk of falls, a leading cause of serious or fatal accidents in the construction industry. As LIFTbuild's CEO, Joe Benamato, stated, "The implementation of our proprietary methods has now been proven to produce the advantages we were anticipating, and we are confident that the results achieved at the Exchange building will set the stage for broader commercialization of LIFTbuild." Living building. Innovative construction methods continue to astonish the world, and this time, the Chinese company Broad Group has developed a technology that sets a new standard for speed and efficiency. The Living Building Assembly System has enabled the rapid construction of a 10-story residential building in just 28 hours and 45 minutes, thanks to prefabricated components. The core elements of this system are factory-made modules built around a stainless steel frame. These modules come pre-equipped with all typical living space components, including insulation, electrical wiring, plumbing, glazing, ventilation systems, and finishing touches. For the flooring, Broad Group utilizes their own B-core slabs, which are made of two steel sheets connected by numerous short vertical tubes across the entire surface. This innovative design is claimed to be 10 times lighter and 100 times stronger than traditional construction methods. One of the standout features of the Living Building system is its adaptability and ease of transport. The individual components are sized to fit standard cargo containers, allowing for convenient transportation to almost any location worldwide using existing infrastructure. This versatility makes the system ideal for building earthquake-resistant, energy-efficient structures for various purposes, including residential homes, hotels, and hospitals. Moreover, these buildings can be disassembled and relocated as needed, adding another layer of flexibility. Broad Group asserts that their system is capable of constructing skyscrapers up to 200 floors. While the price of individual modules is not disclosed, it's noted that a 20-apartment multi-story building with a total area of 2,948 square meters was constructed for less than $3 million, excluding delivery costs. This innovative approach promises to revolutionize the construction industry with its speed, efficiency, and versatility. Vert Edge. The inventors of Vert Edge took home the Innovation of the Year award at STC 2023, but don't let that fool you into thinking they designed a high-tech construction robot. Instead, they developed a deceptively simple yet highly effective system for securing artificial turf. The problem they addressed is a common one. Artificial turf often abuts tiles, fences, and other obstacles, creating challenging joints that can be difficult to manage. That's where Vert Edge comes in, a straightforward slat system that allows you to fold and glue the edges of the turf, much like installing carpeting. The beauty of Vert Edge lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's designed to provide 100% reliability, ensuring that the turf stays securely in place. This system is particularly suited for public areas, as the slats are invisible, resistant to rot, and the fasteners are discreet. The result is a clean, professional finish that enhances the overall appearance of the space. For those interested in a seamless and durable solution, a set of 10 pieces along with a pack of adhesive is available for $73, covering an area of 7.5 meters. It's an elegant answer to a common problem, making it a worthy winner of the award.